What is up, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace your headlight bulb in a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Before doing this, make sure your headlights are in the off position. What you're going to need for this job is a new bulb. I got this bulb for $18 from AutoZone. An H11 basic. There's a couple different ways you can do this. You can pop off the air intake and then get to it, or there's a little access hole right here that they give you. You got to turn the wheel. So the key to this here is you're going to want to turn that bulb counterclockwise, but first you're going to want to undo that tab right there. Undo that tab. Here I am undoing that tab, and then I just turn it counterclockwise about a quarter turn, and then it'll pop right out. So here's the burnt out one. Kinda needs to go in. You need to put the new one in like this, and then it needs to turn this way, because it has these three little knobs that need to line up. So do not be like me. Do not drop the headlight bulb. Plug it in before you try and put it in there. Don't be like me, because I just had to go up to AutoZone at night on the sketchiest road. So yeah, boys, just had to go up to the store and get another one because I dropped it. And now that's what it looks like when it's back up in there. As you can see, I put it up there and I turned it to the right. And then last, put this cap on. Just gotta line up these holes and give it a quarter turn. So as you can see right there, we got them fixed. Looks pretty good. That one's definitely a lot brighter. I need you guys to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button if you got some knowledge out of this.